The world in which we live is a crazy place, and incredible things take place on a regular basis. Believe me when I say that you are not prepared for this. Although Ripple has prevailed in its legal battle against the SEC, this is hardly the most important piece of news. Additionally, the head of the firm has stated that by the time summer comes to a close, the price of xrp+ripple may have skyrocketed to $333 or even higher. It is certain that watching that video will blow your mind. Things first, without further ado, let's get right down to business. I hereby defer. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, the recent developments in Ripple's protracted struggle with the Securities and Exchange Commission have attracted the interest of a large number of people. As a result of Ripple's chief legal officer, Stuart Alderoty, sharing his thoughts on the conclusion of the case and the following actions that the SEC would take, this drama, which revolves around the question of whether or not XRP needs to be categorized as a security, took a crucial turn. Alderoty expressed optimism that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) would not appeal the recent court verdict. The ruling was for failing to register XRP sales to institutions, which was a figure that was substantially smaller than the $2 billion that the SEC had initially wanted. Alderoty's statement instantly shared its message throughout the cryptocurrency world. However, the most important thing is that the court made it clear that XRP is not a security in and of itself. This decision is seen as a watershed victory, not only by Alderoty and many other people, but also by the whole cryptocurrency sector. King XRP stated that the SEC has decided to discontinue the litigation against XRP and is now interested in working with us on the possibility of approving an XRP exchange-traded fund. This tweet reflects the optimistic spirit that has surrounded Ripple's legal victory. Ripple has not only been able to avoid potentially catastrophic financial penalties as a result of this judgment, but it has also established a precedent that has the potential to affect the regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies in the United States. It was stressed by Alderoty that the decision of the court gives much-needed clarification on what constitutes a security, by drawing a parallel between XRP and commodities such as gold. The court has effectively established a boundary between the two, separating cryptocurrency from traditional securities. Alderoty is of the opinion that this could lead to the development of regulations that are more nuanced and equitable in the future, thereby minimizing the ongoing friction that exists between regulatory authorities and the cryptocurrency business. The fact that the court's decision was fair and reasonable is one of the primary reasons that Alderoty believes the Securities and Exchange Commission will not pursue an appeal. The argument that he made was that additional litigation would probably cause more harm than benefit, particularly in light of the fact that the verdict of the court has already supplied the industry with a significant amount of clarification. Alderoty emphasized his confidence in the decision's finality by remarking that if the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) performed in a reasonable manner, it would guarantee that the court would provide a reasonable resolution. In addition, Alderoty mentioned that Ripple's transactions employing XRP had not been associated with any fraudulent activities and had not led in any losses. The argument that the verdict was just and suitable is given more weight by the fact that there was no harm committed, in addition to the logic that the court used. It's possible that this case will have far-reaching repercussions for all of society. Ripple's triumph may herald the beginning of a new age of collaboration between the cryptocurrency industry and regulatory bodies, given that the SEC is currently considering the possibility of working together to approve an exchange-traded fund that will invest in XRP. By working together to establish a more mature and regulated market that protects investors while simultaneously stimulating innovation, there may be a movement away from antagonistic interactions and toward working together to grow the market. On the other hand, the excitement does not end here. Experts are raving about the potential for XRP+ripple to see tremendous development, and believe me when I say that what is about to happen next will leave you speechless. Are you sure you've seen everything there is to see? Don't be too sure. The bullish signal that we are going to observe is unlike anything that we have seen before, and it is about to revolutionize the cryptocurrency industry. Dark Defender, a market analyst, recently caused a stir on X by forecasting that XRP might reach an all-time high of $333. This prediction led a lot of people to take notice. Some people might find this to be completely absurd, particularly in light of the fact that the prediction was made at a time when the price of XRP was fluctuating between 61 and 63 cents. The faith of Dark Defenders, on the other hand, is founded on the consistent advancements that XRP has achieved, including a record 35% surge in just 7 days that brought the asset to a yearly high of 74 cents. It was in his writing that he emphasized his long-term ambition, saying, "People think that I am here for 3.5 or 18 weeks. I am available for a minimum of $333. To put this into perspective, if XRP were to reach $333, it would represent a remarkable rise of 45,000% from its current values. An ascent of this magnitude would be nothing short of legendary, particularly for an asset that has been mired in regulatory problems for close to 4 years. This, however, is not merely wishful thinking for individuals who have a sufficient understanding of the Bitcoin business. The patterns and trends that have been observed over the years provide the foundation for this idea. The appearance of a bull pennant pattern on the 7-year chart of XRP is one of the most intriguing clues that lends weight to this optimistic forecast. Cryptocurrency and experienced trader named Michael brought attention to this unusual pattern by remarking, "In all of my years of trading cryptocurrency, I have never seen a bull pennant that has lasted for 7 years. In the history of cryptocurrency, it is possible that we are going to witness one of the most momentous breakouts." Because of this pattern, which normally indicates that a strong upward trend will continue, many people have come to the conclusion that the recent gains that XRP has experienced are just the beginning. However, the optimism that is being driven by this is not just due to technical patterns. As a result of the overwhelming bullish mood that exists among the XRP community, traders and analysts alike are getting ready for what has the potential to be a revolutionary increase. In a research that was published not too long ago, the cryptocurrency analytical company Sentiment mentioned that trader sentiment is following the price motion. There has been a proliferation of positive narratives in response to the introduction of XRP this week. This rise in favorable emotion is frequently a forerunner to large market swings, and it is occurring right now. More and more traders are beginning to believe that a rally is on the horizon. Further adding fuel to the flames are the mysterious tweets that have been sent out. In a tweet, Jack the Rippler, another well-known figure in the XRP community, stated that the longer the base, the higher in space it is. This statement, which is both straightforward and strong, shows the rising sense that the extended period of consolidation and groundwork that XRP has been putting in is about to pay off in a significant way. This opinion was shared by Amonix in his tweet, which stated that the long-awaited massive explosion in XRP is coming very soon, indicating that a significant change is about to take place in the direction of the market. It is essential to acknowledge that the journey to $333 will not be a smooth one, despite the excitement that is present. XRP will need to surpass a number of significant milestones, the first of which is the $1 barrier, which many traders consider to be the next major obstacle. However, some analysts advise caution and expect that there will be a period of consolidation prior to any substantial breakout. The general disposition continues to be positive. There is a growing interest from institutions, as well as optimistic mood, which signals that XRP is getting ready for something significant, and things are going to get even more intriguing. A bombshell has just been dropped by the president of Ripple, and it has everyone across the world scratching their heads. Ripple's audacious aim to control the global financial landscape with its cutting-edge technology was revealed that she presented to the audience. I am telling you, you are not prepared for what is going to happen next. Everything will be different as a result of this. Ripple Labs is once again creating waves in the cryptocurrency industry with the launch of their new stablecoin, which is commonly referred to as Ripple USD. RLUSD is positioned to play a crucial role in revolutionizing cross-border payments and boosting the utility of the XRP ledger while maintaining a steady value of $1. This is because it was designed to retain a stable value. It was noted by Monica Long, the president of Ripple, that the RLUSD is entirely backed by a segregated reserve of cash and equivalents, which guarantees its stability and trustworthiness. It is a sign of Ripple's ambitious ambition to provide consumers all around the world with greater liquidity and accessibility that RLUSD has been launched on both the XRP ledger and the Ethereum blockchain. Through the implementation of this stablecoin across several blockchains, Ripple is not only